Good to be back on Planet Havarti. I love what you've done with the place. Let's do some multiplying and dividing, so I can trade my goods with the Havartians. Okay, let's give away some goodies. Use division to share them fairly. I've got 16 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 2 Havartians. Use the distributor to give as many 1s to each Havartian as you can. Then click the dial. Each Havartian gets 8 goodies, and there's nothing left over to boldly eat what no one has eaten before. I've got 48 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 6 Havartians. There are enough items to give at least 1 more to each Havartian. Each Havartian gets 8 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Good to the last bite. I've got 72 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 8 Havartians. Each Havartian gets 9 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Contains 8 million essential vitamins and minerals. I've got 72 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 9 Havartians. There are enough items to give...
This is a reminder. Throw out the garbage, lock the doors.
Oh. Boy.
This is a reminder. Throw out the garbage, lock the doors.
There aren't enough items to give another 1 to each Havartian. You're done. Click the dial. Each Havartian gets 8 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Terrific work.
Alexa, thank you.
You bet.
45 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 9 Havartians. Each Havartian gets 5 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Terrific work! I've got 18 items. Use the distributor to share them fairly among all 9 Havartians. Each Havartian gets 2 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Great job! I need to divide 42 items fairly among 6 Havartians. How many items should each Havartian receive? Click my keypad to put numbers in the blanks. Then click Go. Click Go when you're ready. Click Go when you're ready. Please try again. Each Havartian gets 7 goodies, and there's nothing left over. Good thinking. I need to divide 30 items fairly among 5 Havartians. How many items should each Havartian receive?